God, please look over my son. I see the battles they face, trying to stand in this world with the fear in their eyes. They need your hand on their back, your voice in the noise of the day. I can hold them, but I can't save them, so I'll bow my head and say, God, please look over my sons. They need you more than ever, so I pray to you, I pray to you. Every breath, every tear, every whisper, I lift the names of heaven. God, please look over my sons, so I pray to you. So I pray to you. When they are lost in the dark, teach them the way to go. When they are heavy with doubt, be the strength they don't show. Guard every step that they take, guide every choice that they choose. If they stumble, if they break, hold them closer than they knew. God, please look over my sons. They need you more than ever, so I pray to you, I pray to you. Every breath, every tear, every whisper, I lift the names to heaven. God, please look over my sons, so I pray to you. I pray to you. God, please look over my son. I can't be everywhere at once. They're walking roads I've never known, but they still call this house their home. So I pray to you, I pray to you. Take their hands when I can't move, be the light they're running to. I pray to you, I pray to you. Hold them close when I lose sight, guard their hearts in every fight. They need you more than ever, it's true. So I pray to you, I pray to you. You see the fear behind their jokes, the quiet weight behind their hopes. You know the storms they'll face someday, be their courage when I fade.